Well, good morning everyone and bore da, and welcome to the Senedd on this very important occasion. On behalf of the Assembly members and staff, I am very pleased to welcome the Royal British Legion here today to join with us to remember those who lost their lives and those who were injured. Before we commence the formal part of the service, I would like to invite Phil Jones, who is the Wales manager of the Royal British Legion, just to say a few words. Phil Jones.
Thank you all very much indeed for coming here this morning. 1968 is the only year since the Royal British Legion's formation that marked a year where not one soldier, man or woman, died in conflict. And that's why it's important we're here this morning to mark and to remember those who have fallen in conflict, to reflect upon those who have been through conflict but have returned with either physical or mental scars, and of course to retain hope that we all go forward into a more peaceful future.
Ni hyneddiant fel hyneddiwn ni si ar ôl. Ni lethu'r hwy gan oed na chocholfan y blynyddoedd. A fachlid heil ac yn y bore, fe'i cofiwn hwy.
They shall not grow old as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
Panewch a dre yn ôl. Soniwch wrthynt am ddanom a dweud. Mwyn eich hafori chi, fe roesom yn heddiw ni.
When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow we gave our today.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.